Hey, Ben Norman here, and in today's video I'm going to talk you through how to work out for yourself what lead magnet you should be creating for your target market. So firstly, we're going to need an idea on where to start. So the things that could be really useful for this is your common FAQs. When clients do get in touch with you that you know are your target market, what are often their questions, what are their problems, what are they trying to solve, how are they trying to find their solution? Is there anything that comes up that's quite common there? Make a note of that. Now, if you don't have a clue on any of that, all is not lost. We can head over to a service that I always rave about, which is called Answer the Public. There we can basically put in our seed search terms. So if you are offering weight loss products, you could put weight loss in there as a search term, hit go, and then we can see what's returned as the common kind of queries, the things that people are looking for. Then we can go through those queries and work out what ones are jumping out to us. You know, this will kind of twig some kind of ideas with you. You'll start going, yeah, okay, yeah, I do get asked for that a lot. Actually, yeah, I do know a lot of people ask that. Yeah, I do know that that's the common thing that people want. So we take those seed words, any that we've got so far, and now we're going to head over to YouTube. Once we're at YouTube, we're going to start popping those into the search bar of YouTube. We're going to start popping like seed terms in, so like weight loss, anything like that. We're going to look for the common questions that are asked. What are the solutions that people are asking for, the problems that people are trying to solve? We can also use some plugins that are really useful with YouTube. So vidIQ is a really good one, and TubeBuddy is another. They all have keyword explorers in there, so we're able to put those seed words again in there, see what's coming up as being really popular. At the moment, you're not too interested in the amount of competition that are around those terms. What we want to look at is what are the most popular queries, because if, you know, for example, it's what's the best way to lose weight quick? You know, we know that if that's the thing that's coming up top, that's a big query from your prospects, then that would make a really good lead magnet. But what we want to do is look at how people are asking that question, because once we understand how they're asking that question, that can help us formulate the title of the lead magnet. It's also going to feed into how you start building the landing pages for that lead magnet at some point, even how you design the cover. You know, you could have, if we stick with the weight loss idea, you know, how to lose weight quick. It could be, you know, a picture of somebody that's kind of, they're all skinny and they're holding their kind of trousers out because they've just lost so much weight so quick. And then the title then would match in. So basically you want to try and use all of your seed words, run them through this process, and use that to discover how people are searching, the terminology that they're using, and the main problem that they're trying to solve. Now, a quick note here, you're trying to solve a problem, but this needs to feed in the main product that you do. With your lead magnet, a really good trick with it is to have it as almost like a very light version, or it solves one of the little things or one of the big things that your main product solves. Because once you're able to offer this lead magnet, you don't want just people to download it and go, yep, this is really relevant, I want to get that for free. You also want people to be left wanting more. You can almost give them some really, like a really quick win, deliver them some proof to them that this works, that what you say is true, you can deliver these results, because then we're able to customize the end flow, which we'll get onto in another video. But as they've delivered the magnet, you're going to have a follow-up sequence with them. And along the way, you're going to be trying to push your main product. Say, well, if you like this and you thought this worked well, this is going to work really well. So now you've got all of those ideas down, you need to work out, okay, well, what is the delivery method I need to use? You know, is a private video where I talk them step by step through how to do this, is that the way that I should deliver this information for this lead magnet? Or is it a simple checklist? You know, this is what you need to do a day, these 5 things, and as long as you tick them off in this checklist, over the course of a week or a month, you'll have lost X number of pounds. You know, it doesn't really matter. The aim is to work out what delivery method you should be using for that target market. So like I've said in another video, you know, common ones are things like ebooks, putting together a little ebook. Even simple things like a checklist. People love to be able to just print it off, go, right, all I've got to do is tick those 5 boxes every day and then I'm done. You know, there's something really satisfying, and as a result, they convert really well as lead magnets. So once you've got the medium, you know what you're going to create. You've worked out, you know, the content that you're going to put in there. You need to then create that lead magnet. Now, I've already done another video where I talk about creating lead magnets, so I'm not going to kind of go through all that again. But top tip: use Canva, because it's really quick, it's free, and you can build out, you know, checklists in a few minutes. You know, you can build really, really good looking ebooks and guides and things like that really, really fast using pre-existing templates that you can just customize. So I hope you found those steps useful. You know, going through them again, you basically want to create your seed terms, so common things you're asked for, common problems that come up throughout the sales process, things that you know people are looking for solutions for. You want to then take that over to YouTube, pop the seed terms into the search bar, look at how people are searching for those, use plugins like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to look at how often they're searched for, look at the competition around them, although that's not going to, you know, dictate what you want to kind of go after. But if there is a lot of competition and a high search volume, you know this is a really good keyword to go after. So if you can build your lead magnet to target those people, use it to tailor the design, work out the medium so that you make sure that you aren't trying to, I don't know, say you're targeting busy mums, you don't want them to try and sit in front of like a 4-hour video, because they're probably not going to get much chance to do that, whereas a simple checklist would work a lot better for them. So just think about the medium, the way that you're delivering that content, and then, like I say, depending on what you're creating, but most assets like that, I always recommend Canva, because you don't need the design skills and you can create them really quickly. So I'd love to know if you found this useful, if you have a different way of working out how you go about working out which lead magnets to go after and the subject of those lead magnets, or if you feel I've missed anything, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.